Silk Elements helped me get from that to this. Can't say it was bad then, right?
Up the jam, up the jam, up the jam. The crowd is jumping.
Today I purchased Silk Elements Advanced Repair Line from Sally's. Let's see how it works. The first thing I noticed with this shampoo besides the creaminess was the smell. It wasn't bad, some may not like it, but I kept smelling something minty, but I didn't see anything that said it had peppermint oil or anything in it, so I was confused. Since I have low porosity hair, I thoroughly wet it before adding the shampoo. It takes time, but it's what my hair needs, and if your hair is low porosity, it needs that good hydration too. As I add the shampoo, I always make sure to put it on my scalp and the roots of my hair as much as possible. If you don't clean your scalp good enough, you'll never have great hair growth. A flaw many of us naturals make is letting so much product build up on our scalp, and that's not good because it blocks our pores. Also, I do not only wash my scalp, I disperse the shampoo into the rest of my hair. I don't know if any of you guys notice, but I do shampoo my hair and twist for the most part because it's easier. I always pre-detangle with a nice slippery conditioner either the day before or the day of my wash day. It helps so much, trust me. I love this shampoo. It's very moisturizing and creamy. Now it's time to put on the conditioner. I always warm up the conditioner in my hands first and then apply it all over my head. After I apply it to the outer layer of the surface of my hair, I go twist by twist, untwist it, apply the conditioner, and retwist it. If you don't know, the reason why I'm using the twist method is because it helps prevent my hair from tangling itself over and over and over again. All the times I used to wash my hair like normal, my hair would get even more tangled while shampooing and conditioning. And to prevent breakage and retain length, this is the best method for me. If it doesn't work for you, try something different. Overall, I'm extremely satisfied with this conditioner. It has so much slip, way more than I expected. You know the hair product is good when your boyfriend steals it from you. Time to let the conditioner sit for a while. I continue rinsing it after letting it sit, and it feels so good. If I had any tangles left in my hair, the conditioner helped me take it out completely. Now by this time, while I let the conditioner sit, I realized what was in the product that was giving me that minty feeling, and it turned out to be menthol. Not peppermint oil, not tea tree, just menthol. And each and every product smelled like it. The shampoo, the conditioner, the moisturizing treatment, the daily moisturizer, and the oil. I love this so much. The moisturizing treatment had just as much slip. It felt so good. My hair was loving it. It got so much moisture this day. If you haven't gotten the clue by now, if you try this product, be careful, because if it gets in your eyes, it will sting. It's weird because does this have like peppermint or something in it? Because I feel like cool, like, you know, where you like how there's like, oh, there's this tea tree and mint shampoo I use, gave me a very cool feeling, like cool and refreshing, and that's how I felt the whole time I've been using this product. So if you're extra cold one day, don't use this, because you're gonna be like, no. Oh, I'm not seeing anything so far. I have to look deeper into it, but this is my hair with the covered in conditioner, treatment, advanced repair, vitamin E, moisturizing treatment. After I rinse this out, I'm gonna put the daily moisturizer and the oil that came with it. I usually don't buy oils from certain brands. I make my own, or I buy these two other brand of oils. It's usually where I get them from, but if I didn't get a deal, I wouldn't have gotten any of this stuff, honestly, because I just want, I like catching them sales, catching them deals. I got it from my mom. Shout out to my mom if she sees this video, because you've really taught me to look for deals. No shampoo, no conditioner, no treatment. Now I'm gonna put the daily moisturizer and then the vitamin E conditioning oil. Now, the daily moisturizer wasn't bad, but it had a different feel. I was used to all the other products feeling super moisturizing and slippery, but this one was more like a thicker cream, and my hair felt different after putting it on, and not as good as it did when I used conditioner and the moisturizing treatment. So don't get me wrong, I have used plenty of creams on my hair, but this one just felt different, so I wasn't happy about it. I'll show you guys when it's dry. I even use this. Ooh, even the edge controls silk elements. I don't like this edge control, I'm gonna be honest. It'll look like this, and within an hour, it'll look like whatever.
So by the time my hair dries, this might be, I might have to redo my little swoop right now, but this is how my hair is looking right now, and I'm pretty happy with it. I liked everything except the daily moisturizer. This right here, it feels good. It just needs a little bit more slip. Maybe my hair wasn't wet enough. I don't know. Oh my gosh. So this is my hair after it is dry. It has a considerable amount of shrinkage, but it looks very nice to me. I don't know, I guess the daily moisturizer isn't that bad, but I don't like the consistency. I'm not used to it, but put the shadow right on my face. This is the outcome. See you guys later.